Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Fake Currency Detection with a Deep Learning Algorithm and Image Processing. This is an abstract. Different traditional strategies and methods are available for the fake currency detection and based on the color, width and serial number mentioned in the advanced stage of the computer science and high computational method. Various deep learning algorithms are proposed by the image processing that gives 99.9% accuracy for the fake identity of the currency. Detection and recognition method over the algorithms include entities like color, shape, paper width and image filtering. This paper proposes for the fake currency recognition using CNN followed by the image processing. CNN has a high accuracy for small data set, making it desirable to be used for the computer vision task. In this banknote authentication dataset has been created and with a high computational mathematical strategies. This is our project objective: to enhance the better accuracy, to improve the performance, to maintain the proper classification of the currencies and to increase the classification accuracy. This is our system architecture. From the dataset, we import the dataset and pre-process the data, and we extract the features and classify the train and test data and classify it by the algorithm fitting by using CNN, and finally we predict whether it is fake or real. And this is a flow diagram. Start the process and select the dataset, and first clean the dataset and then feature selection and then classification, prediction. And then here is the use case diagram. From the user we started and import the dataset. Cleaning is the pre-processing and feature selection, and then classification, train and test classification and fit the model by the CNN, and finally we predict the fake or real. And this is a ER diagram. And this is a sequence diagram. First one is the start, and then select dataset and load data, and then model selection and the classification. Here is the CNN for the deep learning algorithm. So we we get the 100% accuracy for the image classification. This is our console. When we execute a process, we select the real data, real rupee note, then we display the real one. Once again execute the process. Now we choose the fake note. Display the fake note. The first step is the classification. First step is the two classes. We split the data set into two classes, which we use the 30 images into for two classes. And then CNN model, sequential CNN model. We put the sequential CNN model. This is a layer 1 and the layer 2 and the convolutional 2D layer flattened and tensed. And then here the total parameters. We trained parameters and non-trainable parameter. Here the epochs we run. Totally we given the 20 epochs. 20 epochs for the better accuracy. And this is a loss graph, and then this is accuracy graph. And then open, and then it automatically open the file explorer. It will be able to choose the input. So we choose the input, and this is a fake note. Then we choose the real image, real one. It is a real note. The image is classified as real note by the correlative variance of that note. We designed it real and fake.